Good morning, dears. We have learned about the Venn diagram, so we'll start exercise 60 today. Where you can see for the question number 1, you have given a Venn diagram where you have a universal set, and inside that there are two sets, that is set A and set B. Is it? Other than this, you have 10, 11, 12, 9. The common numbers are 1, 2 and 3. Other than this, A has 4, 5, 6 and B has 7 and 8. Now, when you draw this diagram, you must use your scale and compass. I have not used on the board. It does not mean you are not going to use the scale and compass. You have to use scale and compass to draw this Venn diagram. Is it clear? Now, once the Venn diagram is constructed, you have to observe this figure and write the answers which is asked. First, they have asked you set A. So, while seeing the figure, you can see the members of set A is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. You don't need to solve it or write anything. You just observe and write the members. Then they have asked you set B. Now you can see set B is consisting 7, 8 and this 1, 2, 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 7 and 8 are the members of set B. Third is A union B. So this full here to here it is A union B. So that would be first the common one 1, 2, 3. Then set A's members 4, 5, 6. Then 7, 8. This is A union B. 4 is A union B complement or dash. The meaning is leaving A union B which is left in this set. So we have this 4 members which is other than A union B. What are they? 9, 10, 11, 12. So this would be A union B dash. What do we know? That U minus that particular set is representing the complement of that set, is it? So A union B dash will be leaving the members of set A union B, that is A union B dash. Number 5, they have asked you A intersection B. Now what is common between A and B? That we can see, that is 1, 2 and 3. This is A intersection B. Next you have A intersection B dash. So leaving A intersection B, what are the members left in the set? That is 4, 5, 6, the members of set A. Members of set B, 7, 8 and other than this set A and B's members, 9, 10, 11, 12. This would be A intersection B dash. Now next is 7 number is A minus B. So leaving the members of set B, what is left in set A? That is 4, 5 and 6. Next you have B minus A. So leaving the members of set A and left with 7 and 8, that is B minus A. Then you have A dash, leaving the member of set A, that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is A dash. Then further you have B dash, A dash union B and B dash intersection A. Now A dash union B will be what? You just tell me. A dash is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But B is consisting only 7, 8. So A dash union B will be 7 and 8. So I am rubbing number 1 again. Writing question number 10 here. Number 10. This is B dash. So leaving the members of set B, you are left with 4, 5 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, then 11, A dash union B. So A dash leaving A, these are the A dash. Now union B, only the members 7 and 8 is there in the B. So this will be only 7, 8. B dash is 4, 5, 6 and 9, 10, 11, 12. Intersection A. So members of A, that will be B dash intersection A. 12. B dash intersection A. So B dash, the members of A and the leftover members of set other than set AB. Intersection A means the members of set A. So this will be B dash set A. Now next, last one is universal set. Is it? So what does it mean? It means all the members of set A, B and other than set AB. Is it? So this will be universal set. So we have to observe the Venn diagram which is given to us and we have to write the members. If there is a doubt, you did not understand anything, then you can ask me in comment box. Okay. So you leave it this one only for today. Next day we will be solving question number 2 and all. If there is a doubt, you can ask me. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.